Hey guys, Chubby Butcher here. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Man, did we ever get walloped here in Port Colborne. 140-kilometer-an-hour winds, 2 days of being in a blizzard, couldn't see the front of the truck, we couldn't see nothing. Some people lost their power for 2 to 3 days during Christmas, which is crazy. Mother Nature gave us a good old-fashioned pounding. On the menu today is Easy Peasy Chicken Pot Pie. With that being said, let's go. Okay guys, we got a mail call. This one is Gravely Man Small Engine Repair. He likes to fix old Gravely tractors Series L and likes tinkering around in small engines. Let's go put him on the board. Few snow blowers I'm working on. There's a 9 horsepower 24. This was an old school Snowflight 824. This thing's a beast. It's so heavy on the scoop. And then I use this one. As you can see, the stack don't go left or right, so I had to MacGyver something. They want like $200 for that piece. I said screw that. And this one's a beast also. All right, let's put this thing on the board. What I can do here. Big Suns, Eliminator Performance, the Lawnmower Detective, Grampy's Workshop, Grandpa Kevin's, me, Bruce's Shop, Lawnmower Lady, Ken Small Engines, the Lawnmower Detective again. He sent me 3. It's donut time. Ken Small Engines, Big John Clem, Turning Wrenches, and Tinkering Tailor. I know where I'm put. Peel this off. The Gravely Man is going under Tinkering Tailor. I think I go better one-handed. And there you have it, Gravely Man. He loves tinkering with old Series L Gravely tractors and small engine repair. He has a lot of good content there. Now let's get going on these Easy Peasy Chicken Pot Pie. Let's go. Hey guys, to make these Easy Peasy Chicken Pot Pie, these are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need 2 frozen pie shells, 9 inches. Cut green beans, 398 milliliters. Carrots and peas, 398 milliliters. Cream of chicken, 284 milliliters. 2 tablespoons of butter. Salt and pepper. Some crescent rolls, 235 grams. White onion, 1 garlic clove, extra virgin olive oil, a tablespoon of heavy cream, aluminum foil, and 2 boneless chicken breasts. Okay guys, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to chop this onion up and we're going to saute it nice and slow. Then we're going to fillet the chicken breast and we're going to salt and pepper both sides, and we're also going to cook that to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's cooking, I'm going to drain all my cans into a bowl, add my creamer, add my fresh garlic, And we'll just wait for the sauteed onions and the chicken breast, and then we can make our filling and stuff our pies. Let's go. Okay guys, next we're going to put some extra virgin olive oil in with our onions and for our boneless chicken breast. Add a little bit of salt and pepper to our onions, and we're going to saute this on low. Next we're going to fry these boneless chicken breasts up to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Salt and pepper. Now guys, while this is cooking, I'm going to get my filler all ready. Make sure you sanitize your block and your knife before you move on to the next stage. Let's go. Okay, next we're going to strain our canned vegetables. We're going to put it, it's all strained out. Put it in another pot. Our cream of chicken, salt, some pepper, and about a teaspoon of heavy cream. Next guys, we're going to add our fresh garlic. Now if you want to add more garlic, go ahead. I don't want it to overpower the chicken pot pie. As you can see, the onions are sauteing nicely. I have it on medium heat. And the chicken breast are coming along beautiful. You want to hit an internal temperature of 165 degrees on this, guys. Okay guys, let's drain our sauteed onions. We're going to add it to our filling. Now while we're waiting for our chicken to cook, I'm going to throw the butter in the microwave. Let's go. I'm going to put it in for 30 seconds. Okay guys, these boneless chicken breasts are done. We hit an internal temperature of 165. Okay guys, next we're going to shred up this chicken and we're going to add it to the filling. Now guys, if you don't want to do boneless chicken breast, you can do leftover turkey from Christmas. Next, we're going to give it a nice easy stir and mix in all this goodness. Okay guys, next we're going to preheat the oven at 350 degrees. Okay guys, next we're going to stuff these pies. Next, we're going to peel this Pillsbury crescent roll off. We're going to open it up. And we're just going to apply it for our pie crust. Add our butter to the crust. Okay guys, next we're going to put the aluminum foil on. You're going to cook this at 350 degrees for 20 minutes with the foil on the middle rack. And then for another 20 minutes with the foil off on the middle rack. So 40 minutes cooking time total. Okay guys, that's the first 20 minutes. We're going to take the aluminum foil off of these things. Now we're going to cook it for another 20 minutes with the aluminum foil off. Okay guys, we're all done. 20 minutes with the aluminum foil on, 20 minutes with the aluminum foil off. Let's see what these look like. Okay guys, we're ready to cut this into a slice, which is the hardest part of it all. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky. I did let this sit out for 10 minutes. Look at that. Okay guys, these easy peasy chicken pot pies are ready to roll. I'm going in. Ding, ding, double ding. My mouth just hit the jackpot. You got real chicken. You got the veggies. You got the onions. You got the garlic. All working together here. Plus you got the crescent roll for a crust. Bring it into another dimension. You guys got to try this. It's not that hard. If you guys like what you've seen today, hit the like button. It helps me out a lot. and subscribe to my channel. I upload every week. If you hit the bell, in fact, smash the bell, you'll be the first to get it. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching.